Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sikha Educational and Technical Classes. For the candidates who are preparing SSC CGL, this video is going to process now going to help you allow because this video consists all the details regarding examination and preparation and topics and what you need to take notes of regarding the details of the particular post. So this video consists section process, exam pattern and detailed syllabus. So selection processes follow for tier first, tier second, tier third and tier fourth. Tier first is a computer based test and tier second again also you will take in a computer based test, and tier 3 is a descriptive paper, and tier 4 a computer proficiency test. It's also called CPL test, skill document verification and DV. So this is exam pattern for tier first. Stick on to the screen so that you will know and not miss any detail, nor you might not get misled by the detail that you have already heard. Now exam pattern that follows. So our section 1 is general intelligence and reasoning. So 25 question with 50 marks, and section second is the general awareness, again 25 question with 50 marks, and our third section is quantitative aptitude, is 25 question with 50 marks. English comprehension you have 25 question with 50 marks again. Okay, now what is the time limit that you have to make a note of? So the time limit is 60 minutes. So under 60 minutes you have complete all sections. You will complete all 4 sections under the 60 minutes. Okay, which is 100 question totally carry. Now we will see what is the penalty for the wrong answer. Then penalty for there is a negative marking of 0.50 will be deducted for every wrong answer. There is a no sectional cutoff. No point will be deducted if the question is left blank on an attempt by the candidate. Okay. Let us see what is the exam pattern for tier first. So number first is paper quantitative ability, and number second English language, and number third is the statistics, and number fourth is the general studies, which consists finance, economics as well as first section 100 question with 200 marks, and section second 200 question with 200 marks, and third question, and what is our third section is 100 question with 200 marks again. So fourth section 100 question with 200 marks, and the time duration all the section 2 hours individually, so that you have set out time limit on your own. Okay. Then remember the penalty for the wrong answer. So there is also carried on negative marking, but the negative marking is 0.25 for every wrong answer in their papers. Second English language and comprehension, and also 0.50 mark of each wrong answer, which paper first, third and paper fourth. So accordingly, please prepare and get note meant idea of wrong and negative marking mentioned here on the screen. Okay, so exam pattern for tier third of SSC CGL will be descriptive test. The paper will be in English and Hindi or both of languages, and will constitute of 100 marks. The entire paper need to be completed in 60 minutes. So 100 questions, 60 minute time duration must be completed. Clear? Then the subject of eligibility is descriptive paper, English and Hindi, writing of just essay, verses, letter, applications, etc. So on this particular area, you will be tested upon with 100 marks and 60 minutes. Again, I already mentioned. Okay. So exam pattern for tier 4 SSC CGL tier 4 exam is computer skills test. It will be conduct in 2 steps, test and एक टेस्ट होता है, एक CPT होता है. So test and CPT For test candidate are required 200 words in 50 minutes. 200 words in 50 minutes on a computer in English. The test is conducted to check the candidate's writing skills. Okay, and CPT, this test is conducted to check candidate proficiency in word processing, spreadsheets, and generation of slides. So accordingly, you will be tested. So now, see the skill test of computer proficiency test. The post you look into here and rest of the post mentioned here. Please note all the notes of post mentioned here so that you have clear for new our penalty. Now for document, now for the document verification. Okay, this is the list of the document you keep ready for verification. Admit card of skill test, post preparation form और passport size के photographs, address proof, 10th-12th graduation mark sheet, caste certificate and disability certificate, NOC certificate in the case of central government employees. So please note all the details. Thank you friends. I hope this video is helpful to you all. Whoever is taking this post and particular examination, especially do share with your friends. Whoever is going and taking up the post is very soon, and also don't forget to drop comment in the comment box any doubt, and if you want any clarity regarding to this post, we will solve the queries soon. If you like video, please subscribe my channel. Also do like, comment and subscribe. Never forget to press bell icon and never miss an update. Thanks for watching.